Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to benchmark your PC. Whether you're a gamer, a video editor, or just looking to get the most out of your computer, benchmarking is an essential tool to help you understand your PC's performance. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to benchmark your PC using some of the most popular benchmarking tools available. So, if you're ready to take your PC to the next level, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for MSI Afterburner. And download it if you don't have it. Search for Unigen Haven Benchmark. Click on Free Download and wait until it finishes. Install it. Open Haven Benchmark in MSI Afterburner. Set a low resolution and uncheck full screen box. Make the quality low. Hit the Run button. Open the settings in Afterburner and do what I'm doing. You can overwrite the name as well. Here I'd like to put the degree symbol beside CPU temp. In order to make a space between things, overwrite the group name to as shown here. In order to make a space between things, overwrite the group name to as shown here. You can change the size if you want. And you can also customize your own colors. It took a lot of space, so in order to make it smaller, change the width to 18. Now go to Benchmark tab and put the start and end keys for your average FPS counter. You can also lock your FPS from Riva Tuner. Thanks for tuning in to our tutorial on how to benchmark your PC. We hope you found this video helpful and informative, and that you're now confident in your ability to use benchmarking tools to analyze your PC's performance. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post new content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.